Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's, and today we're going to take a look at our Liftgate Latch center linkage for the 67 to 77 Broncos. The classic Ford Broncos are more popular than ever, and Dennis Carpenter continues to reproduce those hard-to-find items like our new Liftgate Latch center linkage. Sometimes called the spider gear, this mounts inside the center of the liftgate, and chances are yours is either worn, broken, or missing entirely. The square shaft on your handle goes through the center of the mechanism, and it accepts the left and right latch rods that actuate the latch assemblies. Zinc plated for rust and corrosion protection, it includes the liftgate rod attachment clips for a trouble-free installation. So return your liftgate handle operation to that factory fresh smoothness with a new center linkage from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.